This one's probably too overgrown. Yeah, I'm not pushing the bike in here. This was dark. Not a lot of graffiti in this one. This would be the one I'd like to come to, because there's obviously not a lot of folks coming back here. But it's really overgrown. I don't want to push the bike through these briars. On to the next one. So, somewhere around here, someone's shooting, and this is echoing through here. BB. They hunt around here, and that's what you're hearing is gunfire. That's not too far off. Now, I don't really think that's an issue, but if they're doing it all night long, it's going to drive me nuts because the sound is carrying inside of the bunker and echoing. This one might be okay. It looks like they'd have a hard time trying to shut the door. Not impossible, but a hard time trying to. I think I'm going to set my camp up right inside the doorway to the left or to the right. So if someone just looks in, they might not see me. Anyways, I'm going to push the bike in and start setting up camp. These are set in long rows. I don't know how many rows there are. I know there's at least 2 rows of them, probably more. All right, let's get camp set up. It's been a kind of a long day. down to the next bunker. If it's not obvious, the sounds you're hearing out here, someone shooting, and it echoes into the bunker really loudly. They're unfortunately pretty close because I can actually hear people's voices. I must not be as far away from the road as I thought, because I can actually see a car at the end of the lane and probably people. So these are all lined up. I don't know what the distance is between them, but it's not terribly far. But it might vary from row to row as well. I don't know if they're out at the end of the road or not. It looks like they are, but yeah, it's not that far. I'm not as far from the road as I thought I was. But the spot that I'm at isn't like the main row. So there's more than one row. And the next row over is actually listed on Google Maps. And this one's not. Alright, I'm at another bunker. And between me and the bunker is this. I'm going to consider this a plus. Because if anybody does come out, they're probably not going to cross this. In fact, I probably shouldn't. The last thing I want to do is step in this and get my feet wet. So this bunker is cleared off and you can see in. You can see the doorway and whatnot. This one's shut. And what I'm worried about is someone shutting the other one while I'm in it. So these are big round concrete domes. And they're covered up with soil. There's a lot more graffiti in this one because it's closer to the road. And the one I'm in also has the water blocking the route. And the car's still down there. There's at least one more bunker between me and the road. I was going to walk down to it, but I don't want to with people here. So this spot of water should keep people from coming any further back, especially since there's two of these bunkers between me and the road. See if I can get back across. Now, this is what's known as a Superfund site because it's still toxic. It's contaminated with heavy metals in the water. So this water is not something you'd want to filter and drink. And you don't really want to disturb the ground either, probably. So it's currently 5:30, which is sunset. I have camp set up. It's way too early to be trying to sleep. I need to change into my camp clothes and eat something, and I'm just going to hang out for a while and hope nobody comes out here. It's Sunday evening, so That'll help. You probably can't see it, but right back there, this is a road, and there's a white Jeep back there. And I am not worried about camping out here because of animals or because of the Mothman or anything like that. I'm literally worried about drunk teenagers coming out and trying to shut the door on me or rob me, I guess. I don't think homeless people are out here because it's too far from town. I haven't seen any signs of homeless folks out here, but I have seen signs of teenage kids partying. Now, everything echoes inside of this bunker. The noises outside carry in through the doorway. My assumption is once it's dark, ain't nobody walking out. My assumption is once it's dark, nobody's going to get out here without a light. And they'll probably be laughing and joking. And knowing myself, I'm probably going to be so nervous that I'm not going to sleep very well. I'm going to be on high alert. I won't get much sleep. But that's where we're at. I got blabbing to do, and I don't think I can do it inside. I'm going to go check. I'll probably come back out here to do my blabbing. I got plenty of time. I got some lights with me. Obviously my headlamp, and I got a light that I bought a while back to use for filming at night, which you've already seen if you're watching. You can't see it, but you can see the light. I had some Chinese company message me asking if I wanted to use their lights in my videos, and I got that inside hanging on my bike. Normally I wouldn't pack it. It's about a half a pound. It's about 6 to 8 ounces, I think. So it's not as heavy as I thought it was. But I knew I was going to be inside of this bunker in the dark, so I brought it with me. It's kind of neat. I don't make any money if you buy one, but they sent me one to try out, just like I got sent a bicycle. And again, gunfire. I ain't gonna make any money off of these dang lamps, but there's a coupon code on the channel on this video if you did want to buy one. Again, I ain't making a dime if you buy one of these lights. I'll probably talk about the light later. I mean, they sent me a light, so I don't know. Like, if you guys ever see me actually trying to sell something, assume I'm making some money off of it, unless it's something I'm actually using. This light I wouldn't use normally on a bicycle because I don't want to carry nothing normally. But car camping, something like that, I would use it. I actually like the light. It's pretty neat. Again, I ain't making any money off of this light, so I ain't expecting y'all to run out and buy it. But I'm going with the flow here. They sent it to me, asked me to put it in a video, gave me a coupon code for y'all. Again, I ain't making any money off of it. But maybe if I'm a good boy, somebody else will send me stuff to make some money off of. I don't know. I'm trying to make $1. I ain't been paid in over a month, folks. I ain't been paid in over a month. All right, let's go. I want to go in and change. I really hope they get done shooting out here soon. I got at least 3 hours before I try to go to sleep, though. All right, I'll probably do some more blabbing later.
together.